Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. If you've been following along, you'll remember that in my last video, I had to undo my beaded pearl bag because it wasn't as sturdy as I wanted. But today, I'm excited to show you how to remake it the right way, stronger and better. The things that we need are beads. I'm going to use 8mm and 10mm size of beads, fishing line, and of course, scissor. Now we'll create the base row just like before, but this time I'm paying extra attention to how tightly the beads are threaded. You don't want them to loose or the structure will be weak. And now I put 4 beads on the fishing line, then here on the last beads. Look closely to see how I'm going to cross the line to the beads. The reason I'm doing this is to make sure our pearl bag is gonna be more durable and sturdy. Okay. And now I'm going to add 1 bead to the left. Okay, and 1 bead to the right. And I'm going to use the 3rd bead to cross the line. Okay, cross it, cross it. Yes. And now I'm going to add again 1 bead to the right, okay, and 1 bead to the left. Yes. And use the 3rd bead to cross the line. Okay, just do the same process. And then, okay, again, 1 bead to the right and 1 bead to the left, and use the 3rd bead to cross the line. Okay, so I'm going to continue to make 15 ring. You can make it longer depending on how wide you want your bag to be. I'll meet you back when I'm done doing the 14th ring of bead, because on the 15th it's going to be a different way. And now to make the last part of this, I'm going to add 3 beads on the fishing line. 3. And take the right fishing line and cross it to the 2nd bead. Okay. And then the next part is that I'm going to add 3 beads again to the right line. And take the left line and cross it to the 3rd bead. Yes. And I'm going to put the left line to this bead. Yes, this bead. And on my right line, I'm going to add 2 beads. Okay. Take the left line and cross it to the 2nd bead. One more time and I'll meet you at the end. So I'm going to put my left line to this bead and add 2 beads to my right line. And use the left line to cross to this bead. Okay, so now on this last bead, I'm going to add 2 beads on my left line. Only 2 beads. Okay, and cross it using the right line. And now I already have 3 rolls of beads. And I'm going to continue the process off cam until I reach 17 rolls. I'll meet you back when I finish the 17 rolls. Okay? Okay, now that the body of the bag is done, let's fold it in half and stitch up the side. I'm counting 7 on each side and fold it. Okay. And now I'm going to put the line on these 2 beads. And I'm going to add only 2 beads to my right line. and cross it using the left line. Then take the left line and put to this bead. And I'm going to add 2 beads on my right line and cross it using the left line. And now take your left line and put this on this 2 bead. Okay, 2 beads. One and this one. And add 1 bead. Be patient here. Tighten the thread as you go to make sure the bag is firmly stitched. Again, add line to this bead. Only 1 bead. And add 2 beads on your left line, then cross. Continue doing this process until you reach the end. Also, do the same thing to the other side. Next part is I'm gonna make 2 more of this. So to do that, I'm gonna use 6mm size of bead. I'm gonna take 4 beads and put it to the fishing line and cross the last bead using the other side of the fishing line. Cross it. Okay. Again, I'm gonna add 3 beads. 1 on each side and use the 3rd bead to cross the fishing line. Cross, cross. Again, 3 beads, 1 on each sides, and use the 3rd bead to cross the fishing line. I'm going to continue to make 21 rings and I'll meet you there. So I made 2 rolls of beads, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna join both sides of the beads. Just do what I'm doing also. Okay, Again, take one bead and cross the line. Only one. And cross it. Next is I'm going to put, oops, nice. Next I'm going to put my left line to this bead. Okay. And my right line also to this bead. Okay, take one bead, then cross. Just continue the process until you reach the end. So the next thing to do is join both sides of the beads. Okay. So to do that, take one bead and put this line to this other side of the bead and take one bead again and cross it. Oops. Okay, so again I'm going to add this line to this bead. Oops. And the other side also. And I'm going to take one bead and cross. Okay, so last part. Gonna do the last part. I'm going to add this line to this bead and also the other side of the bead. And I'm going to put this line to this bead, and that's it. It's gonna have to make a knot to finish the ring. Okay. And now we already have this. Look how pretty this is. So I'm going to make another one of this and I'm going to join them together. Look how pretty this is. Okay, so I also made one of this using 8mm size of bead. And I'm going to attach it something like this to the bag. And there you have it, a brand new, stronger version of the beaded pearl bag. It's sturdy, beautiful, and ready to use. This time, I focused on making sure every part was secure, from the stitching to the strap. I'm so happy with how this version turned out. If you're following along, remember that taking the extra steps to reinforce your work can make a huge difference in the final result. I hope you learned some helpful tips today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more crafting videos. Let me know in the comments what kind of beaded projects you want to see next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.